and this is a Zion tier build. I know what else you're thinking, and this is a Sprinter 144. Let me show you all the things that we put inside of it. Starting at the front, we've got the headliner shelf from Van Wife, Scopima swivel seats on the driver and passenger, the Lagoon table. This is gonna swivel out. This will extend to give you extra table space. We've got the cup holder cut into the middle there. The Lavio dry flush is located under that bench. Microwave up top for all of your hot pocket needs. We've got a max air fan up top that's going to help vent out all of the hot air. Refrigerator down below. Underneath that, we've included some extra drawer space. Floor to ceiling shelves. And those are right next to a super plush memory foam mattress. The Nomadic X2 air conditioner up top. Those things pump out so much cool air. Tons of overhead storage in this van. Potable water, filtered water, and on the outside, we've got the side step, making it easy to get in and out, and around back. I do love that this van has the pass-through access to the garage from the inside and the outside. Electrical panel on this side with the ARB air compressor. That's going to allow you to fill up bike tires when you're out on the road, even the van tires if you are low when you're out. That can handle a van tire. And on this side is the 33-gallon over-the-wheel well water tank from Northwest Conversions. There's a cutout in the compartment over here that's going to allow you to see the water tank without having to open those up. And of course, the outdoor shower, my favorite part. Just like that, you got water, baby. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.